Are you tired of living in the Stone Age while everyone else is rocking the future? Well, fear not, fellow humans, because we've got a collection of mind-boggling inventions that will level up your entire existence in 2023. Welcome to Best Cool Tech. Make sure you subscribe for the latest and greatest gadgets from across the galaxy, plus weekly giveaways of this awesome stuff. Get ready to laugh, gasp, and wonder how you ever survived without these unbelievable inventions. Fan with an artistic side. To say that we're a fan of this first product would be an understatement. It simply blows us away. Get ready to enter the mind-bending world of the Missyou Holographic Fan. We've taken holographic technology to the next level with this upgraded marvel. We're talking Bluetooth, remote control, Wi-Fi, app upload, and more. Say goodbye to dull displays and hello to a universe of vibrant colors, mind-bending visuals, and more fun than a disco party with unicorns. Whether you're advertising your product or just want to amaze your friends, this holographic wonderland is your golden ticket to awesomeness. So, why settle for the ordinary when you can shine like a supernova? It's not just a fan, it's a fantastic journey into the holographic realm. UBCO Electric 2x2s. Ready to kick your biking game up a notch and leave your friends in the dust? Introducing the UBCO Electric 2x2 bikes. These bad boys are here to revolutionize the biking world with their mind-blowing electric power and jaw-dropping off-road capabilities. Strap on your helmet because these bikes will take you on an adventure so wild your hair will stand on end. Get ready to conquer the mountains, conquer forests, and conquer your own fear of looking ridiculously awesome. Don't waste another second pedaling like a mere mortal when you can soar like an electrified eagle. KiwiCo Projector Lamp. Get ready to bring a mesmerizing burst of color and creativity into your world. The KiwiCo Projector Kit will take you on a mind-bending journey where liquid light shows and engineering collide in the most groovy way imaginable. This is your ticket to becoming the ultimate psychedelic architect of visual awesomeness. Imagine this. You're in control of a magical universe of swirling colors where you can create your own kaleidoscopic masterpiece. Get your wires ready and channel your inner MacGyver because you'll be wiring up a motor and constructing a mind-boggling mechanical rocker system. It's like building a roller coaster for color. theHANGER. Do you dream of effortlessly whacking that tiny white ball into oblivion, all while looking suave and composed on the golf course? Well, hold on to your Argyle socks because we've got the ultimate secret weapon for you, the theHANGER Golf Training Aid. It's like having a personal golf whisperer in your pocket, ready to transform your swing from amateur hour into hole-in-one heroism. This nifty gadget is the answer to all your golfing woes, no matter your skill level. It's like having a personal swing coach who won't judge you for your questionable fashion choices. With its revolutionary design and adjustable settings, the theHANGER puts you in the driver's seat, or should we say in the golfer's suite, of swing mastery. It's time to hit that like button, drop a hilarious comment, and subscribe to Best Cool Tech. We've got the craziest gadgets that'll make you swing like a pro and chuckle like a goofball. Join our quirky community and let's tee off into a world of wacky tech adventures. MakerMade M2. Hey there, makers and dreamers, ready to unleash your creative powers and take control of the CNC universe? Say hello to the MakerMade M2, the mighty machine that turns your wildest dreams into reality. With its precision engineering and user-friendly software, this bad boy is your one-way ticket to professional-grade results without the headache. Whether you're a hobbyist, entrepreneur, or a self-proclaimed master of making things, the MakerMade M2 will blow your mind with its carving, engraving, milling, and endless crafting capabilities. Get ready to conquer the creative cosmos with the ultimate tool that puts the C in CNC. Pocket Tripod Pro. Hey there, aspiring paparazzi and selfie enthusiasts. Tired of schlepping around a giant tripod that's bigger than your enthusiasm for photography? Fear not, because the Pocket Tripod Pro is here to save the day and your tired arms. This nifty little gadget is like a pocket-sized Hercules, compact enough to fit in your wallet and strong enough to support your camera or smartphone like a boss. It's the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking landscapes, epic action shots, and of course, those flawless selfies that would make even the Kardashians envious. So ditch the clunky tripods and let the Pocket Tripod Pro be your portable photography sidekick. Your arms will thank you, and your Instagram game will never be the same. Bro Amex Smart Bird Feeder Camera. Attention all bird enthusiasts and nature lovers. Say goodbye to boring bird watching and say hello to the Bro Amex Smart Bird Camera, your ticket to a high-tech avian adventure. This genius gadget is armed with cutting-edge AI technology capable of identifying over 11,000 bird species. That's more bird knowledge than an ornithologist on steroids. Plus, with its patent bird-friendly design and mouth-watering acrylic board, it's like a 5-star restaurant for our feathered friends, guaranteeing a flock of hungry birds waiting to put on a show just for you. This feathered spy cam boasts a 1080p HD camera with a wide 130-degree angle, ensuring you catch all the action day or night. You can even become the Steven Spielberg of bird documentaries by remotely controlling the camera through the handy mobile app. And guess what? It's not just a one-way relationship. The built-in two-way microphone lets you eavesdrop on those chirpy conversations while you witness their feathered shenanigans. Get ready to spread your wings, share the joy, and become the ultimate bird whisperer. Ear cleaner with camera. Listen up, folks. We've got the ultimate gadget that'll make you an ear-exploring pro and put Q-tips to shame. Introducing the 1080p HD ear cameras, the mini explorers that'll take you on a wild journey into the depths of your own ears. Prepare yourself for an earwax removal experience like no other. With a sleek and lightweight design, this kit will make you feel like a true earwax archaeologist. Just remember, gentle is the name of the game. The folks at DTalk even included 3 types of earpick arcs, so you can find the perfect fit for your ear canal. But hey, please resist the temptation to break the earpick. Need to check your teeth, nasal cavity, throat, or even the roots of your scalp? It's got you covered. It's like a Swiss Army knife for exploring your own body, but please leave the surgical procedures to the professionals. Get your kit with the link in the description and prepare to unleash your inner ear pioneer. DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker. Introducing the DEWALT Wearable Bluetooth Speaker, the ultimate musical sidekick that's here to save the day and your eardrums. This pocket-sized powerhouse will have you jamming like a rock star while keeping your hands free to conquer the world, or just, fold laundry, you do you. Weighing less than a hamster's sneeze, this mini marvel is so light you'll forget you have it on. It's like a secret agent disguised as a speaker, ready to unleash audio awesomeness at a moment's notice. James Bond wishes he had this level of stealth, and guess what? DEWALT has cracked the code for glove-friendly greatness. The oversized multifunction buttons are a stroke of genius, designed to work seamlessly with even the chunkiest of gloves. Well, we hope you enjoyed this whirlwind of awesome inventions. Let us know in the comments which product caught your attention the most. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to see more amazing gadgets like this, and make sure to subscribe to Best Cool Tech to stay up to date with the coolest gadgets on the market. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep embracing the future.